welcome to the Christmas competition update on Sunday the 17th of December. Just 4 questions left for your chance to win this farrowing arc, kindly donated by Contented Products. So we had 5 questions this week, starting on Monday, which is the question you can now see on the screen, or there-ish maybe, wherever I edit it. Clue for that one, Bob Ferris. There we go, Bob Ferris. Might give you a small clue as to what that one might entail. Tuesday's one was a riddle. And can I give you a clue for that riddle? It's hard to give you a clue without giving you the answer, so maybe I won't give you anything. Wednesday, that was a good one. Quite a lot of people got that. Clue, there's been a hold up in Texas. That's the clue for that one. That should hopefully, those that may have been thinking about it and couldn't quite get their answer on the tip of their tongue, hopefully that clue will help. Thursday's one, that caused quite a few questions. Clue, I'll give you a clue. A baked bean can and a funnel. And the last question of the week, which was Friday's question, which I thought, well, I guess I wrote them so I know the answers, I thought would be quite easy, but there seems to have stirred a bit of controversy on that one. So the clue to lead you to the answer on that one, Lewis Capaldi. And those that remember last week, I from December the 8th question, which was Friday's one, which is the one you can see here, I was going to leave you a clue. It seems to be a bit of a technical glitch there. Anyway, there's the roundup of this week's questions. There'll be 4 questions this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and on Thursday the competition will open. There'll be a link in the final post where you can go onto the website and enter all your answers for your chance to win. You have until midnight on Saturday the 23rd of December to get your answers in, and I will be announcing the winner on our social media platforms at 9 AM on Christmas Eve. So good luck everyone. So there we go. I must say I really enjoyed this year, and I really enjoyed the support I've had from everyone about feedback on the questions and stuff. That's been really nice. Just like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2024. And I will be seeing you on Christmas Eve, 9 AM, to announce the winner.